Today we're talking about percent, and percent means out of 100. So 25% would be the same as saying 25 out of 100. We can also look at 10%. And we can write this 10 over 100. And if we simplify this, we could also say that it's 1 out of 10. So we're going to use our connecting pieces, and the whole has 10 individual pieces. And I've also drawn it up here. So each piece equals 10%. So to represent that, we have one yellow cube and the other 9 are orange. We can also fill in one of these cubes. So the yellow one would represent 10%, and the orange ones, or the ones not filled in on the board, would be 90%, because this piece is 10% of the whole, because there are 10 pieces. Now we're going to solve a percent problem. There are 2,500 students in a high school. 15% of the students are in the 9th grade. How many students are in the 9th grade? And in this problem, we're missing the part. So to solve it, we're going to use a percent table. So we know that 2,500 is 100% of the student population. So we're going to write 100 is 2,500. So now going down, we can find 10% by taking off one of the zeros. So now 10% is 250. And then we're going to continue going down. We're going to find the 5%. And to do that, we're going to split the 10% in half. So a half of 250 would be 125. So we're looking for the 15% of this problem. So we're going to add the 10% and the 5% to get our 15%. So we're going to add 250 plus 125, and that equals 375. So 15% of 2,500 is 375. And we're going to check our work using the part over whole equals the percent over 100. So we didn't know our part, that was missing, and our whole was 2,500, and then equals, our percent was 15%, and it's always over 100. So to solve this, we're going to multiply, cross multiply, 2,515. So 2,500 times 15, and then we're going to put that, or divide that, over 100. And if you solve that, it'll come out to be 375. So again, it shows that 375 is 15% of 2,500.